Hi all, welcome again to another recipe today. Today's recipe is going to be very exciting. So it's called Isi Ewu. Isi Ewu is a traditional dish from the Igbo tribe in southeast Nigeria in West Africa. It's known for its rich flavors and cultural significance because it's made from the head of a goat, which is cooked, seasoned with a variety of spice and herbs as you like. So I'm going to quickly go through. It has a very significant cultural impact, and it's a cultural significance because it's not only eaten from people of that region, it's eaten worldwide. It's a global recipe. So what are the health benefits? Is a good source of protein, which is essential for your muscle repair and for your growth and for your overall body maintenance. It's also rich in essential nutrients, which mainly vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, which are very vital for various bodily functions, including blood formation, immune support, and bone health. Then again, it's low in fat. Compared to other red meats, goat meat is relatively low in fat and cholesterol. It makes it a healthy option for maintaining heart health. So again, it boosts immunity. The spices and herbs in preparing Isi Ewu, such as otaze, onions, pepper, contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help boost the immune system. So I'm going to take you around to all the items. So this is the Isi Ewu. So this is actually the head of a goat, which is washed and cut and deboned. Okay, washed thoroughly with warm water, then cooked with any spices and herbs as you want, and a bit of salt. So this we've already cooked it. This you can get from a local shop. So the items we have is we have palm oil. This is red palm oil. It's called manu Igbo, and this is otazi as well. Okay, so otazi, this leaf is bitter. The botanical name is known as Gongronema latifolium. Gongronema latifolium. That's it. So Gongronema latifolium. That's the botanical name for it. Then we have the chopped onions. Okay, this is the chopped onions. This is the white onion, but it's chopped. Then we have ehuru. Now, ehuru seed is known as calabash nutmeg. Now, so this is ehuru. Okay, it's a seed and more like a herb as well. This is the main core ingredient that gives it that taste. This, of all the ingredients you have here, you're gonna use, this is so key. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna pound this later in the mortar. Now we have opaka. Okay, opaka is known as oil bean seeds, and you'll be wondering what normally happens is oil bean seeds, people get it out and they boil it and they later cut it. That's why it is like this. Okay, so it's oil bean seeds, but there are a lot of processes that have to be done in cooking and then cutting and slicing it. That's why you have it this way. Okay, now this is potash. Okay, also known as akam. Now this is it here. Okay, this has been dissolved within here. Okay, and just to show you how the raw one is. Okay, so this is a spice we use. You can use any spice. Some can use seasoning cubes. Okay, so this is the seasoning we are using. Okay, and also mind you, some of this seasoning have salt, so you can add additional salt if you want to. Okay, then this is the ground crayfish. Okay, this is the ground crayfish. Okay, now this is This is the brain of the goat meat. Okay, this is the brain. This is so key. This is so key. Okay, so what we're going to happen in a meanwhile, I'm going to show you, but this serves as a thickener. So what's going to happen, we're going to pound this with the chopped pepper, okay, and the ehu, okay, in here. Okay, we'll show you that in a minute. So this is cayenne pepper and sliced onions. Okay, this will be used later, okay, as a sort of to garnish it when it's ready. Okay, so and that's it. These are the key things. Okay, so just to go through everything, one, the goat meat, the goat head. Okay, this is the goat head, which is already cleaned and chopped. Then the palm oil. Okay, then what has the leaves, which is this, which is known as botanical name is Gongronema latifolium. Okay, and this is the onions. Okay, chopped onions, and this is the ground crayfish, and this is the pepper. Okay, and so this is the ehu, which we've pounded here. Okay, so we've removed it here. Okay, so this is where you get it being thickening. So we have the oil here. Okay, so put it by the side. We'll put on this. Okay, so we pour in the oil. So pour in the oil, so you can see some of the tracks here. Make sure you get everything out. Now this oil is about 4 spoons of approximately about this size, about 4 of it. You know. So as it is now, what we do is to start stirring it. So this is the potash. Stir it, then add it. Okay, make sure you stir it before adding it. So you add it, turn it. So what we're doing now, you can stir it. You can put up the fire, get it to a very low heat, just to be sure you can see there's a foaming effect here. Okay, so what we do now is to add this. Okay, this is what we just pounded. Okay, we add it in here. Okay, and a bit of some down here as well. I'm sure you add everything in here. Okay, so we keep this by the side. So what we do is we stir. At this moment the fire is a bit, we put off the fire just to make sure we stir this properly. Stir properly. Just to mention, there are two ways. So we'll be adding the onions, the chopped onions now. Okay. So this is the upaka. Okay, adding that one as well. Stir. Stir. So this is the pounded Ewu. Okay. Stir. And that's the ground crayfish as well. Stir properly. So the next we're going to add is the goat head, which has been cooked. So we stir. Very important that this is stirred properly with all the ingredients. Stir properly. You're gonna have to do it one after the other. Make sure you break through every place in here. So now we're stirring. We're gonna add a bit of the seasoning. And like I said, most of this seasoning have salt, so you don't want to be adding seasoning and also adding so much salt. Okay. Stir. So that's the nkwobi, which is the goat head. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna then garnish it with the vegetables. We put this by the side. So what we have here is the onion, which has been sliced in a special way in ring form. Okay. Then we have the cayenne pepper. This is cayenne pepper. You can use any other choice of pepper as well. Okay. Okay. And then we have the leaves there on top as well. Garnish it. So that's it. Yes, as you can see, it's been dished out. Okay, food is actually served. This is nkwobi, typical Igbo delicacy of the Igbo delicacy, okay, from Nigeria. So this could serve, you know, as much as 3 people. So we're gonna be having dinner now. So thank you all for joining, okay. And if you try it out, tell us how when you try it out, what you think, okay, in your comments. So like, share, subscribe for more cuisines, Nigerian cuisine and continental dishes all over. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this and try it out. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.